Welcome, fellow high seas cruisers. Chris here, and welcome to today's cruise tip. And today we are going to talk about cruise ship itineraries. Now, these are cruise tips for new cruisers. Perhaps you're getting ready to go on your very first cruise. You've gone through, you've planned for it, you've picked it out, you have found the perfect cruise itinerary. You selected places you've always wanted to go. You're super excited only to board your cruise ship, set sail, and find out that for some reason, your cruise itinerary has changed. Now, that's the thing about cruise itineraries because they are not set in stone. And if you read your cruise contract, it does say the cruise line has the right to adjust itineraries as necessary. And there are several reasons why your itinerary could be changed. Could be for bad weather. If you have a big storm coming in, the cruise ship may need to travel somewhere else to avoid it. Could be high winds, rough seas that prevents a cruise ship from docking. Could cause an itinerary change. Could be a mechanical issue with the cruise ship. Could be some type of issue in the destination you're traveling to. Civil unrest, something going on in the cruise port that the cruise line has now determined it is unsafe for them to go there. Now, this doesn't happen on every cruise. It doesn't happen on every itinerary, but the time of year you cruise could also play a part in it. For an example, if you are cruising in the Caribbean, let's say during hurricane season, well, the chances of having your itinerary changed for a weather-related event, well, your chances are higher. And while itinerary changes definitely upset some people on the cruise ship, they are disappointed, they are unhappy, they will still happen. So as a first-time cruiser, the thing to remember is your itinerary is not set in stone. And while you may be disappointed, remember you are still out on vacation. You are still cruising. And the captain of whatever ship you are sailing on, well, the safety of the passengers, the safety of the crew, and the safety of the ship will always come first. And that's going to be our cruise tip video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.